In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable tab hover preview cards in Google Chrome, making your browsing experience a little less cluttered and perhaps a bit faster. We'll walk through this process step by step, aiming to simplify your interface and reduce potential distractions. The whole process is straightforward, taking just a few moments of your time, yet it can make a significant difference in how you navigate the web. To begin, let's open Google Chrome on your computer. Assuming it's your preferred browser, launching it is your first step toward adjusting your settings. Once you've got Chrome up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Clicking these dots opens a menu of options, each offering different ways to personalize or adjust your browsing experience. In the menu that appears, you'll want to choose Settings. This takes you to a whole new window or tab filled with various options related to your Chrome browser. The Settings menu is quite comprehensive, allowing you to configure everything from privacy settings to appearance. Under normal circumstances, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but today we're focusing on just one feature. Now, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the panel that says Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will bring up all the settings related to the look and feel of your Google Chrome browser. This is where you can tweak things like your theme or font size, but today we're interested in a different option. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Tab Hover Preview Cards. In this section, you'll find 2 toggle switches. The first is labeled Show Tab Preview Images, and the second, Show Tab Memory Usage. Both of these are designed to give you an overview of your open tabs when you hover over them with your cursor, but not everyone finds these features useful. In fact, they can sometimes slow things down or clutter the interface. To complete the task at hand, simply toggle off both options. Flip each switch so that it turns gray instead of blue. Show Tab Preview Images and Show Tab Memory Usage should now both be off, indicating that Chrome will no longer display these features when you hover over your tabs. The beauty of this change is that it's applied automatically, without any need to restart your browser. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Tab Hover Preview cards in Google Chrome. With these settings turned off, your browser might just feel a bit cleaner, and you can focus more on what matters most to you in your browsing activity. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like more tips on how to personalize your tech experiences.